Patuloy na ipinagdarasal ng kanyang mga kaibigan at tagahanga ang PBA legend na si Samboy Lim na hanggang ngayon ay nananatili sa ICU matapos atakihin sa puso. Nagbabalik si Mac Gonzalez.
Patuloy na lumalaban para sa buhay niya ang dating PBA star na si Samboy Lim. Hanggang ngayon kasi, nananatili siya sa ICU matapos atakihin sa puso sa isang PBA Legends game noong Biyernes. Marami ang nagulat dahil wala raw bisyo at regular mag-ehersisyo si Samboy.
Despite the fact we're in our 50s already, we like to stay in shape and we like to stay well-conditioned. So I was really shocked that he was having a health problem.
Nakasama ni Coach Norman Black si Samboy sa 1989 Grand Slam team ng San Miguel Beermen. Nakasyam na championship sila sa PBA. Napakagaling daw na teammate ni Samboy na nag-average ng halos 20 points per game noon.
Outside of maybe Sonny Jaworski, Samboy was the most popular player in the league. I mean, he was by far one of the most popular players we had back in the 80s and the 90s, and he set the world on fire with his antics, driving to the basket. They called him, he was a high flyer.
Hindi lang fans ang napabilib at na-inspire ni Skywalker, kundi pati ang mga mas batang player na sumabak din sa professional basketball, lalo na ang mga kapwa niya gwardya.
Growing up, na pinapanood namin yan. Sa Ultra pa yun, pinapanood namin Long Socks. Rookie Rico Salazar, we practice with the San Miguel team. Very honored for me.
Hindi naman siya sobrang laking basketball player, and so makaka-relate ako kahit papaano na kailangan mo gamitin yung utak mo, pati yung bilis mo and athleticism.
Pati si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao na ngayon playing coach na ng Team Kia, napapanood daw dati si Samboy sa PBA. Anong masasabi niyo sa kanya as a player?
Magaling. Get well sa kanya. May God bless him.
Para sa unang balita, Mav Gonzalez reporting.